more than 7 million sales globally. Our most innovative and exciting Tucson. The light appears from nowhere, simply magical, bigger than ever before. Just look at that. Let's get inside.
Would you mind sending me the Hyundai digital key? Warm up the car.
Optimizes both engine performance and fuel efficiency while also being eco-friendly. That is what we call everyday dynamism. Let me tell you about our all-wheel drive system, H-Track.
The long wheelbase models will be offered in regions where customers want more space. Short wheelbase models will be for regions that favor agility and performance. We plan to expand its N9 availability globally and soon. Please join us on this exhilarating journey into the future.